Hey y'all, it's Chase Dowling with Turf Product Solutions, and today I want to thank you for your order of your new Turf Power Sweep. On this video, we're going to show you exactly how to set up the artificial turf broom in just a few easy steps. So come follow along with us and we'll show you exactly how it's done. In the box, you're going to receive everything you need to set up your new artificial turf broom, the Turf Power Sweep. You're going to receive the unit itself, the handle that controls the unit, 2 arms, 2 bolts and knobs, 2 screws, 2 straps, and 2 cord holders for the actual arms themselves, along with 2 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and the bag setup. First, we're going to start with setting up the arms on the broom, and then we'll move on from there. Starting first with the arm assembly, you're going to need 1 screwdriver with a Phillips head. You're going to take the arm that corresponds with either side and slide it into the hole on the broom, making sure that the hole on the actual arm itself matches the hole to the outside of the unit. Once that's in there, you're going to take your strap with the screw in it, and you're going to screw this in to the unit itself on the outside. It's very important that you make sure the strap goes up at an angle like this, because later on it's going to wrap around the bag assembly itself. We'll repeat this same step on the other side. Now that you have your bracing arms and straps installed, it's time to attach the handle. We're going to use the 2 bolts and the 2 knobs that came in the kit to attach the upper handle to the arms. You're going to insert the bolt from the outside into the selected slot, and you're going to take your knob, and the knob is going to screw in from the inside. Now we're going to repeat this on the opposite side. You can tighten these knobs all the way down, and when you want to fold down for storage later on, you'll loosen those knobs up and the handle will fold in on itself. Now that that's completed, you're going to take these 2 clips that are for your cords, and you're going to clip the cord to the actual arm itself by just popping it on there. 1 on the bottom arm and 1 on the top arm. Now that your broom is mostly built, it's time to assemble the bag. In the kit, you're going to have your bag fabric and your bag frame. The bag is very easy to assemble. You're going to take the bag and you're going to slide the frame in on itself into the bag. And you're going to start here at the top. You're going to push this little clip over the top of the bag frame, which is going to lock the top of the bag in. From there, you're going to fold these clips into the inside, and they're going to clip to the outside of the unit. Last but not least, on the bottom here of the bag, you have 1 more left to do. Take it up over the top of the bag frame, and we're going to slide it down on top. Just like that. And now your bag is fully constructed. Next, we're going to attach the bag to the unit itself. You're going to flip up the green hood here, and there's 2 clips here that the bag will rest on. You're going to slide it over the top, and the bag is going to slide down and rest on top of those 2 hooks. Earlier, we added these little straps to the bag itself, or to the frame. We're going to wrap that strap around, and we're going to clip it into the button here. This is going to add extra strength to the bag to keep the bag in place when you're moving around a lot of debris in the yard. You're going to repeat the same step on the opposite side. Last but not least, you're almost ready to go. The final step is to add power to the broom. We're going to flip up this cover here, and you're going to take your 2 supplied lithium-ion batteries fully charged, and you're going to slide them down into their slots until you hear the click. Once it's clicked in, the batteries are locked in, and you're ready to rock and roll. And there you have it, the fully assembled, all-new artificial turf broom turf power sweep. To start the unit, you're going to press this little green button in on the side and pull the handle in. That's going to engage the motor. Once the handle is pulled in, you can release this little green button and you're good to go. If you have any additional questions on how to set up your new turf power sweep, you can email us at thepros@turfproductsolutions.com or visit turfproductsolutions.com, where there's a wealth of information on how to operate the broom efficiently. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we look forward to hearing from you very soon.